We're going to be helping conserve habitat for birds. So we're going to put some fences around and make sure that beachgoers know not to stray into their habitats and keep them safe.
It's quite amazing that Amica will pay their employees to take a day off to do some volunteer work.
You know, they really care about not only their employees, but what happens in their communities. And I think it, really helps us bring it home.
Did it.
It's going to be hard work, but it's going to be very fulfilling, and I'm going to feel really good about myself, and I think I'm going to bring that back to my work day tomorrow.